If you've noticed that your teeth don't feel as clean as they used to, then it's time to rebuild your oral health care home routine to boost its effectiveness in removing plaque and tartar from forming. Here, Natural Cure's Secret Presence, one of the best toothpaste for tartar and plaque removal recommended by dentists. Get cleaner, healthier teeth with healthy oral system at home. PeroxiCare Deep Clean by Arm & Hammer. PeroxiCare is an ultimate deep cleaning toothpaste. Using the natural power of baking soda, it neutralizes acids that weaken and erode enamel, gently whiten with a low abrasion formula, maintain healthy gums, deliver powerful deep cleaning, remove plaque and prevent tartar buildup. Plus, its peroxide helps kill germs in the mouth, leaves fresh breath, fresh mint flavor. For stronger teeth, healthier gums, and happy smiles, choose Arm & Hammer PeroxiCare Deep Clean Toothpaste. Order from the description below.